Hey everyone, let's talk about how you can get no cost free gift cards with Honeygain. Let's jump right into it. Honeygain is basically a platform which allows you to use your internet bandwidth to earn extra cash. The way that this works is they use your internet bandwidth for SEO research, and with that information that they're getting, they're going to pay you in cash. And it's super easy to set up, and I've made a video about how you can get you can make a significant amount of passive income with Honeygain. Now, today we're going to talk about how you can get free gift cards. So Honeygain also offers you to complete these daily tasks which allow you to earn money faster, and these daily tasks may include completing a simple task such as like completing a survey or watching a video ad. All of these things contribute to points which you can then cash out. The advantage of doing these tasks is you may even get gift cards. Now, a free gift card is basically when you complete daily tasks for a while, or you're signing in daily and you're providing a good amount of bandwidth to the Honeygain browser, you're gonna get a significant amount of rewards as well, and including those rewards could be a free gift card. Now, if you're targeting a particular gift card, they also have promotional campaigns where they'll tell you what the gift card is about, and you can also choose which one you want, and you can work towards making enough points to get that gift card. So that's basically how the gift card system works on Honeygain. It's super easy, and there's a lot of ways that you can actually go ahead and earn those gift cards. All you have to do is install the application on your device and get it started. Once it's started, you just have to go and look at the daily tasks, and then if they have a campaign running, just go ahead and read the campaign, and you'll get an opportunity to earn your own first free gift card as well. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope this video was helpful.